Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Harrison County and east central Ohio, southern Tuscarawas County and east central Ohio until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was detected near Stone Creek and was moving east at 20 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Stone Creek, Navajo, Gilmore, Wilkesville, Denison, Tippecanoe, Tappan, Bowerston, Freeport. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. This storm also is producing torrential rain. Poor drainage areas may flood quickly. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscarawas County, Ohio.